spend, trade, can go, do it, only, plus you must be sure.
Hello to all traders, it's Panda with you, and in today's video, as always, we will conduct a technical analysis of two currency pairs, talk about how to trade on the news, and of course, touch on the psychological aspect of our business. And by the way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel to always be in the know and replenish your knowledge base about trading. Also, be sure to watch this video until the end if you want to know how to get $50 to your trading account. Let's move on to the analysis of the first currency pair, the euro and the US dollar. Let's pay attention to the fact that earlier the trend was directed to the downside. Then, having reached the support area, the trend went up to the resistance area, bouncing from which it went down. And I know, based on my experience, that we will have a price reduction in the future. Therefore, I will go to pocket option where I will open a down trade for 3 minutes and wait for it to end. In the meantime, let's talk a little about how to trade on the news while we wait. Frankly, it is very difficult for beginners to trade on the news. For beginners, they bring nothing but empty pockets and a headache. All that beginners see here is, oh, everything is jumping and I will jump along with everyone. Just remember, the news is not for beginners. And don't say, I didn't warn you. Predicting the price movement which is pushed around by strong economic or political news is sometimes prohibitively difficult. High-frequency robots flourish here, trying to grab their jackpot in seconds. But the average person has a hard time. And why? Because the price on strong news often shows completely chaotic behavior. The price rushes up and down, showing wild shadows and long candles that fly wherever they please. Remember, the risk is not only in the news itself, but in the technological implementation. Many brokers slow down on the news, their websites, platforms freeze, the price slips because liquidity providers do not cope with their work during rush demand, and much more. Of course, it may seem that all this is a complex science, but I have a free Telegram channel where I give free signals with which you can figure out how it works and make money. Follow the link in Telegram and subscribe to the channel with signals. Also, soon there will be a lot of useful information and training materials. Subscribe so as not to miss and become a professional in trading. In addition to free signals, I have a very cool private Telegram channel where I trade daily with the team, talk about how I see the market, and help make money on pocket option, the link to which you can find in the description under the video. To join my private chat and start earning with me and my team, be sure to write me a message. I want to be a VIP and learn how to work on binary options. I also ask you to like this video so that it advances and I make even more cool and informative content for you. Well, it seems our deal has come to an end, and just by understanding and analyzing how the market works, I put $178 in my pocket. Good result, but I know for sure that you want more. Therefore, let's move on to the analysis of the second currency pair, the British pound and the Japanese yen. We see that in the past the trend was downward and then reached the support area. From the support area, the price then moved up with rising lows, and based on my experience, it seems to me that the price will rise. I think it's time to go to pocket option where I will open a 3-minute up trade to watch it all. While we wait, let's talk about the psychology of trading. Expectations of quick riches began to melt slowly at first, and the trader thinks that failures are temporary, but the further, the more significant and losses, and the degree of disappointment is higher as the difference between expectations and reality increases more and more. The trader spends more and more of his mental energy to overcome this disappointment. The emotional background becomes more and more negative. At some point, the trader passes the 0 point, having spent all the initial profit, and begins to incur losses. At such a moment, new experiences are added to this disappointment with the market. Guilt for the funds spent, especially if they are credit, shame for one's own behavior, fear of losing even more. Therefore, traders have to prepare themselves psychologically to work on the stock exchange using either books and online articles or online courses. The effectiveness of such forms of education is low because working with the psyche requires not only theoretical knowledge of the functioning of the human psyche, but also a wide practice of application. And my task is to help you both in psychological terms and in technical analysis. Therefore, I will not tire of reminding you to like this video, pushing it up and subscribing to the channel. Be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel with free signals. I give trial signals every day so that people can earn money with me and see my trading style with the team. Also, I have a closed Telegram channel where I trade and earn money every day with the team. How does trading take place? I say the currency pair, the direction where to open a deal, the time for which it needs to be opened, and then I throw off the result. If you want to work with me and earn money, then write me a personal message. I want to be a VIP at the link in the description under the video. Also, don't forget to enter the $50 contest. All you need to do is to like this video, subscribe to the channel, write a comment under the video, and register for Pocket Option using the link in the description under the video. And exactly 1 week later, I will announce the winner of the contest, who will receive $50 on their trading balance, which you can withdraw or trade on them. Be sure to participate, because you can be the winner. Well then, the deal is over, and of course it ended in a plus, which means that I earned another $178. Not bad. In general, I put in my pocket $356, just being good at trading. Pay attention to details. Keep your head cool, and knowledge is always at hand. Panda was with you. See you.
Bend, trade, bend, trade, bend, trade, bend, trade, bend, trade. Gingo, do it only. Plus you must be sure.